Grabe ka naman. Kumusta? The last time, bago ka kumusta, the last time you're here, wow, compared to today, ano bang nangyari? Kumusta ka muna?
Well, ito, doing good naman. Masaya buhay.
That's good.
Of course, yes.
Kasi these days, hindi na madaling sabihin yan.
Hindi na talaga.
Di ba?
Hindi na talaga.
Takes a lot of... But the last time you guested here, look at yourself, di ba?
Grabe.
Tingnan mo naman ikaw ngayon, ang gwapo mo.
Thank you. Nahiya naman ako
Please.
bigla.
Hindi, ang gwapo mo, Eric. At saka para kang... You're very healthy. You look very healthy.
Thank
And I
you.
think that's important. Di ba?
Yes, of course. Siyempre, health talaga.
That was what? 2023, the last time you were here. Ano ba ang dahilan nun? Why did you gain a lot of weight?
Masarap kasi kumain eh.
Oo naman.
Diba? Kumbaga, we live to eat eh. Pero siyempre, medyo na-carried away. Hindi naman ako nag-exercise kahit ano. So, ayun.
Okay. Pero may kinalaman ba ang emotional state ng isang tao?
Siyempre, yung stress ang tendency nilalabas mo sa food eh.
Stress eating.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I didn't believe in that before, pero napansin
Hindi,
ko.
nangyayari talaga.
Yeah. Kasi if I knew that, baka naiwasan ko rin.
Gaano kabigat ka umabot?
Yung natimbang ko was 220 pounds. Alam ko mas bumigat pa ako dun before. Pero 220 pounds yung heaviest ko as of 2025, last year.
Wow. When you started to lose weight, dire-diretso ba o may kwento ka na bumabalik at tumataba tapos mga payat?
Well, before, yeah. Siyempre, papayat. And sakit lang naman natin mga tao is maintaining eh. Biglang makakalimutan na, papabayaan na. Pero this one, yung ngayon, talagang dire-diretso na.
Halimbawa, from 220 pounds, ano ang weight mo ngayon?
From 220 pounds, the lightest na na-achieve ko was 154 pounds. But now I gained another 16 because na-introduce ako sa rice. Sa carbs. Kasi
Okay.
running, training, sabi nila you have to take carbs. So, nagkakanin na ulit ako, mga bread, ganon. So, and syempre, nag-exercise. So, 16 pounds of fat and muscle.
Okay, so from 154 was your lowest.
Yes.
Now it's plus 16.
160.
Anong ideal mo?
Well, sabi kasi dapat mga 155, 160. Pero siguro ganun sa mga, kung bata pa tayo.
Oo.
Di ba?
Pero palagay ko tama ito.
Yeah, sakto na to. Maybe I just need to trim down the inches, not the weight.
Yeah.